Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to convert a Windows install.esd to an install.wim. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To convert a Windows install.esd to an install.wim, follow these steps. Part 1. Converting the entire install.esd to install.wim. Download and install PowerISO on your computer. Right-click on the PowerISO icon and select Run as Administrator. In the PowerISO interface, click on Tools and select WIM ESD Converter. Click on the ESD to WIM tab. Select the source image file.esd. Specify a destination for the image file.wim. Click on Convert and wait for the process to finish. Part 2. Converting install.esd to install.wim for a specific edition. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. List editions in the install.esd file. Run the following command. Replace fsources install.esd with the path to your install.esd file. This command will list all the available editions within the install.esd file along with their index numbers. Convert a specific edition from install.esd to install.wim. Run the following command. Replace index number with the index number of the edition you want to convert. Source image file. Path to the install.esd file. Source index. Index number of the edition you want to convert. You can find this from the previous command. Destination image file. Path where you want to save the install.wim file. Compress max. Compress the install.wim file to the maximum level. Check integrity. Ensures the integrity of the images. Note: if you want to use the Pro 11 install.wim directly, copy and paste it into the sources folder inside the Windows installation media. Then delete the original install.esd or install.wim file. And don't forget to rename Pro 11 install.wim to install.wim. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.